Welcome back to my channel. Here we want to work on the plan as we are instructed that we should draw the plan. So we want to draw the plan of the assembling of this object. So we have worked on the sectional front elevation. Now we want to work on the plan. So what we need to do first is to project lines, so vertical lines from this point. I'll draw a vertical line down here. So this center line, I will extend it down here, and this center line also, I will also extend it here. Okay, then I will also extend this center line. Then I will also draw a vertical line from here, so like this. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to draw a center line here. So send horizontal center line. All right, so and then we look at the width. So what is the width? The width is so it's 50 millimeters. We have that from here to here. So from here to here is 15, from here to here is 20, from here to here is 15. That is 50 millimeters. So we take a measurement of 50 millimeters. So 50 millimeters. So from the center, so we take 25 down, and we take 25 millimeters up, so making it 50. Okay, so and we draw horizontal line here like this, and here also we draw horizontal line. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to produce, so this part, this rectangle that we have here. So the width from here to here, sorry, so the width from here to here is 15, this from here to here is 15, and don't forget that this part that we have here, so the shaft, so the shaft we enter, so part of the shaft around here we enter here. Okay, so first of all, let's produce these ones. So so I will take a measurement, so of it is 20. So okay, so let me take draw a vertical line from here, so that I will not be taking measurement for that again. So I'll draw a vertical line from here to the plan, and a vertical line from here into the plan. So what I need to do now is to take 15 millimeters. So from here I'll take 15 millimeters down here. This is 15, and I will also take 15 millimeters from here up. Okay, so now I can make this with a thick line. So I'll just make it a thick line at once like this, and I'll also make this a thick line at once. So even so this rectangle, so this part will be drawn with a thick line. Okay, and this will also be drawn with a thick line. Okay, and also, so we'll make this a thick line at once, and we also make this a thick line at once. All right, so and then so this will be a thick line from here to here, and this will also be a thick line from here to here. Okay, let's make this a thick line at once. So this is also a thick line, and the whole of this will be a thick line by the time I insert the shaft there. So we are going to have a thick line here. Okay, so this part that is hidden, so that is hidden by the time we insert the shaft in here, so we are not going to see this part again, so it will be shown hidden in the plan. So I need to show that. So I just come to this point here, so I will draw, so just to come here, so I don't have to draw it down, I don't want to draw it down, so I just draw short dashes line around here, so it has to be there. So though in the original plan given to us, it was opened because the shaft was not inserted in the original plan. So but now that we have inserted the shaft, so we have to show it hidden. So that's why I'm putting that short dashes line here. Okay, so we have this part now. And then another part that we have here that we are not going to see is this shape under the base. So it is under the base, so we cannot see, so it will be hidden. We already have it drawn in the plan as we have here. So this is what I'm talking about. So it is hidden from us in the plan. So we also have to replicate the same thing. So distance from here to here is 5, and also distance from here to here is 5. So I'm going to do that while I pause the video. All right, so I've drawn the hidden part here. So this is it, and here, and also for this part here, so we have it around there. But there's something here. This part also, we can't see it at this point, so we need to show it in the plan. But before I'm going to draw that line, so we need to draw this circle here, so as we have in the plan. So the diameter is 10, so the radius is 5. So I will draw a circle of radius 5 millimeters here. Circle of radius 5. Okay, so we also have it here, so a circle of radius 5 millimeters. All right, so okay, so I will set my set square here. So first of all, so produce this line down into the plan here. Now bring it here, and I'll do the same thing here. So draw the line. So you can see in the sectional front elevation that this line, it ends here from here to here. So we are going to make this with short dashes line. Okay, so we also do the same thing here. Okay, so all these ones are just coming up. So the major work now is the construction of the bolt. So the bolt is entering here. So so we already put the shaft here, though we have not completed the shaft. So let me complete the shaft at once, because we have this as we have here. So as we have this part of the shaft here, so we have, so I mean this part here, so we are going to see it around here. So I'm going to draw a vertical line down into the plan like this. Okay, so that is the end of that part. So and then we have that the thickness of that is 16. So we take 8 millimeters up, and we take 8 millimeters down here. Then so we draw a line from here to here, and we also draw a line from here to here. Okay, so then I'll make this a thick line. So this shows that the shaft is inserted in this part. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is to put the bolt and the washer. So we are going to put the bolt and the washer there, and then in this part that we have here, don't let me omit that. So we have the bushing. The bushing is inserted. The bushing is inserted in the shaft, so we need to show it, so it will be hidden from us. So we need to show it. So I'll just produce a vertical line, so from here to the plan. So I will also draw a vertical line from here into the plan. So this will be drawn with short dashes line from here. So the bushing is inside the shaft. So this is it. Okay, so that's very, very important. So the next thing that we are going to do is to put the bolt there, so to put the bolt, so I'm going to show you how you have to do that. So the bolt and the knot. So we have the bolt. So this bolt is entering here to enter here, and the thickness is 15 millimeters. The thickness is 15 millimeters, and from here to here we have 64, and from here for the thread, from here to here is 15. So we are going to insert it here, though I have not created the hole for that. And then so this part, so the hexagonal edge of the bolt, it will be here, and the knot will be here, and then we are putting the washer. So first of all put the washer before we put the knot there. So the first thing I'm going to do is that I want to create the hole for the bolt. So 15 by 2 is 7.5, so that is 7.5. So first of all, so take a measurement of 7.5, so to create the hole for the bolt. So this is, so and then so that this will make it 15. That's 15. So I will draw a line. Okay, though that's going to be hidden, but I'm not showing it hidden now, so until I'm done. Okay, all right, so I have this. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw the hexagonal edge of the bolt. So all right, so I will draw center line here, horizontal center line here. So I'm going to do a simple calculation. So I'm going to multiply that 15 by 1.5. So 15 by 1.5 to get the um, uh, distance across flat, the distance across flat of the hexagonal knot, or the hexagonal edge of the bolt. So I'll multiply 1.5 by 15. So whatever I get will be the value that I'm going to use as the distance across flat of the hexagonal knot or bolt. So 1.5 times 15 give me 22.5. So I just make it 23. So that 23 I will divide it by 2. So that will be 11.5. So I'll take a measurement of 11.5 of 11.5. So 11.5. So then I will draw a, so I just draw a semicircle. I don't have to draw the whole circle. So a semicircle is okay. So then I'm going to draw horizontal line here. Okay, so I will take my 60-degree set square. So I will use this small set square. So I will draw a tangent to this part like this. Then I will also draw a tangent to this. Okay, so the hexagonal edge is already is almost there. So what I just need to do is to draw a vertical line like this from this point. I will also come to this point here. Come to this point here, I will draw a vertical line. So I will come to this point here, and I will draw a vertical line. So also coming to this point here, I will draw a vertical line. Also, we are going to have the same thing up here for the knot. So this part is where we are going to have the hexagonal edge of the bolt. So the knot will be around there. So we need to transfer it. So we transfer it. So I'll just take it from here like this, and then so coming here. So this line is already there. So we are going to make use of that line. So because they're on the same point, so I'll just take this now. So I'll draw this. Okay, now so let's work on this part. So I work on this part, so and then so I will come here and do it here also. So now the thickness of the hexagonal head of the boat, so how can we get that? So the thickness from that is distance from here to here, distance from here to here. So what you need to do is to multiply 0.8 by 15, multiply 0.8 by 15, and that will give us 12. So I'll just take a measurement of 12 millimeters here. So 12 millimeters. So from this point here, take 12 millimeters down. So this is 12 millimeters here. So I will draw horizontal line. So draw horizontal line from here to here. Okay, so then we need to bring out the curved edge of the knot, so of the hexagonal head. So I just take a measurement of 1.5 mm. Then I will draw horizontal line. Draw horizontal line through this. So I'm going to make use of my French curve to bring out the curve, so I'll make use of my French curve to bring out the curve part of the hexagonal head of the boat. Okay, so so we need to work it out patiently. Okay, okay, so and then so for this part, okay, so you can see how easy it is. All right, so I want us to see that part very well. So then, so we are going to make this, so this will be a thick line from here to here, and this will also be a thick line. So make this a thick line, and we also make this a thick line. And then so on this part, so we are going to use 30° set square. So 30° set square for this part. Okay, and okay, so and then so with my ruler we join, so make this a thick line. All right, so we have drawn that part. So the next thing I'm going to do is to draw the hexagonal edge of the hexagon, the knot here, so around here. But don't forget that we are going to insert washer here, and we are told that the thickness of the washer, so the thickness of the washer is 2 mm. As you can see here, this is 2 mm here. That's thickness of the washer. So I need to take a measurement of 2 mm, so 2 mm, but the diameter of the washer is 25. So diameter of the washer is 25. So I'll first of all take a measurement of 2 millimeters. So this is 2 millimeters here. So I will draw a horizontal line. So horizontal line around here. So diameter of the washer is 25. So half of 25 is 12.5. So I will take a measurement of 12.5 from the center here. So this is 12.5 millimeters. This is 12.5 millimeters then. So and then this is another 12.5, making it 25. So we have that. Okay, so for the washer, so we have this. Okay, so let me make the washer visible at once. Okay, so that's the washer there. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to uh, take a measurement of 12 millimeters for the hexagonal part of the knot. So 12 millimeters. So from here on this line, I will take a measurement of 12. So this is 12 millimeters, and I will draw a horizontal line from here to here. Then I will also take a measurement of 1.5 millimeters to bring out the cuff part of the knot. So draw horizontal line here like this. Then I'm going to make use of my French cuff to bring out the cuff part. Okay, so I also do the same thing here. Alright, so I'm done. So I believe you can see the way I'm doing it. So with our 30-degree set square, so we draw this line here, and so we also draw it here. Then I'll make this a thick line. Alright, so we are almost done. So this will be a thick line from here to here. Okay, so this will be a thick line. So we have drawn the knot, so the hexagonal part we have drawn it. So the next thing that we're going to do here, so the bolt, so it's going to be hidden. So this part is going to be hidden. We cannot see it in the plan, so we have to make it show it hidden. So then, so what I'm going to do here, so this line will be drawn with short dashes line. Don't forget that it coincides with the some part of the knot. Okay, so this also will be drawn. Alright, so this is the plan. So this is how the assembling in the plan will look like, and then you have to write plan down here. So as simple as I've shown it here, all you need to do is to practice. Thank you for watching, and keep on practicing. God bless you.